Happy New Year, everyone. This is my crayfish, and let me share you something about growing my own food or growing this crayfish my own food. Okay? From the start, it's difficult because some of the videos you might seen from Indonesia or Philippines or other countries, if you followed them, they will separate the pregnant or buried females to a different container. But what I've learned in my experience is this. This is my experience. I've got filter, pump, aeration, good aeration, and uh, the drainage system. And I covered it with, at the middle, tiny silk like that will not, it will not, it will prevent the small crayfish from escaping. Now, I just let them breed from this area. And for this year, I've already sorted the breeders for the next year and food for our family. Alright, this is now, this crayfish will be cooked on the New Year's Eve evening, because today is the 31st of December 2024, and I have a full video on how I harvested this. And right now this tank that I'm using is, I'm now purging. Let the aerator flow with the air and let their gills clean themselves. And once they're ready, they are ready for seafood boil. Let me show you. Let me pause the video. Continue. Let me show you. Because I just want to eat this large fella. Right? This large one. So let me check if how large it is. Look at that baby. That's how large it is. And you will see this on the plate. Right? So I just grow my own food. Growing your own food. So I hope this setup, large pond, filters, and this is my breeding tanks, but most of the containers contains guppies, so I let the crayfish breed on their own, less maintenance. So look at the large ones. So that is my experience in growing this. I let them breed, and majority of the harvests that I got, most of them are males, so it's quite good for eating because males are large ones, are larger than females. So I'm not sure if you can see the underside. This on the side. Okay, alright. That's on the side, and the other side. So they're now on the corners. Okay. So let's see if, because I might give this a few. I give a few of this to my mother and a different barangay and some of my friends. But it's not enough to cater all my friends. So I feel sorry, but this is the only crayfish I got. So hopefully, if I manage to breed them for the next year, and the good thing is I got all the hides and I can easily wear boots and check the if I wanted to be more efficient. It's really efficient if you separate the buried females because you will make sure that it will not die on this pond, the large pond, because predation is really normal to them, especially if most of the batches of the eggs get grow faster. It will predate on the small one. So it's better to separate. You have another container for um, smaller ones. Just sort them out, making sure, and by doing that you might count count their population as well, and reduce the males. I already separated before, like 3 months ago, some of the males. I put 25 males from there just to allow female to grow, because if you got a lot of males they will constantly breeding, so let the female recover. So this one of my trailings container that I got separated. I'm not sure if you can see the trailings crawling around here. Small one, tiny one. Another one here. That's really tiny. So this container here, I've used this as separation for pregnant or buried. Then once they hatch, I'll just transfer it from here. So pretty simple method, but what I've learned is for your own food, not for commercial or mass producing, you better let them breed from the pond and reduce the male population. That's the other option. But if you go for commercial that you would like to produce a ton, I would recommend to have an own nursery, separation from eggs to juveniles to adult. Alright, so I will cut the video. It might now take too long, so see you on the next video that I will plate this crawfish. Thank you for watching.